Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to another episode of Clear Hair Wig tutorial today. And then we're reviewing Vice Unit 6. Total is $50. Now you guys know I'm going to give you the whole breakdown. I'm going to keep it a buck with y'all. I don't play those games. All right. So we're going to be measuring it from top to bottom just so you guys can see how long it is. I've seen this reviewed already and I'm just like, I must be standing on a box because this thing is long, baby. As long as the day is long, as long as this year was, as long as 2020 was, this thing is long. So it's about 30 inches long. It comes with baby hairs, HD lace. I wanted to do something different this time. I went outside to do the review because I felt like we wanted to see how shiny it was. So I felt like the last review that I did for Aslan, I felt like I wasn't really able to truly see. I mean, I'm not going to be in the dark all day. So I wanted to review it outside so we can see it. We got the soft lace that I was talking about in my previous episode, very, very soft. And then you have the sets of combs. There's 2 in the front where we don't want them at, and there's 1 in the back. Now I'm going to go ahead and measure the size of this. The circumference. Okay, let me stop. The circumference is about 21 inches, and my head is about 22 inches. So it is actually big head friendly. I have 4. Now it is a little tight in the back. That's because it's fresh, but it is actually big head friendly. I was truly surprised because people be capping on here. I ain't gonna lie to you. But I was actually surprised. It's very soft, by the way. Like you can, like it's in your fingers. Like it just feels very soft, like buttery soft. Like they deep condition the wig. Let's go ahead and go inside. So now we're going to take care of the part, which is there's nothing to take care of. I think it was really, they were in their bag on this one. Like the baby hairs was popping. Okay, the baby hairs are at the spots we want them at. They even got it in the corner, Lord. They even got it in the corner. So you can tell it's supposed to be melted down. And like I said, I like my edges to be at the front of my head. And I don't want to be able to tuck them in the post. So I don't glue my wigs down. So if you want to click out of here, make sure you subscribe first. But I don't glue my wig down. It's never going to happen. So I'm just going in and we're going to go ahead with the scissors. And we're just going along the hairline and cutting it a little bit closer than I usually would, just so I can get that effect. But we're just following the hair follicles. So what I mean by that is I want you guys to notice the hair follicles that we're cutting as close as possible, because I want to make sure that I'm not cutting any baby hairs, because I remember the last time I cut the baby hairs accidentally. That was on me. That's user error. That's not going to happen with you. But yeah, I go all the way through, just cutting it all the way through, and that's pretty much it. But like, look at the, oh my God, the lace is beautiful. Okay. The lace is beautiful. Like the lace is just beautiful. It doesn't make any sense. It's so soft. It's almost transparent, translucent. Okay. Like it's transparent, but I just want to show you guys that, the lace is just so soft. It's so clear. And I'm just like, that's just less work. Like my main thing is that if I'm purchasing a wig from you, I don't want to have to do no more work. Okay. I already work a job. So I'm going in, with the dry shampoo. Now this is just me being Claire, and I'm just perfectionist. I went through with a dry shampoo only because I wanted, and you wet it with water afterwards, and it dries. It's like I said, synthetic fiber blend. The thing was just like, the reason why I go through a dry shampoo, because I don't like my wigs to look like a wig. I don't want to look shiny. Like I know it's a wig, but that's just too much wig for me. But look at the parting space. Like I don't even like, this is like the first parting space in a while I've seen that I don't got to pluck nothing. I don't got to do nothing with it. So I'm just going with the Nairobi, and this is the Rapid Foam Lotion. And this is, just going through, just, have it that ready. And it's just, oh my God. Like, look, I don't even think tires are this flat. Look at how flat it just lays, baby. Look at it. Like there's just, yes, like it looks so natural. Like this is the standard. Like we need to just tell these other wig companies to get it together, pack it up. Okay. Hang it up flat screen. Like you need to tell them to pack it up because this is how you make a parting space. Now I'm just going through with some of my concealer, LA Color Girls. I'm just going in with that just a little bit to like tint it out a little bit, but you don't even need to do that, man. Like, I'm just so excited. You don't even got to do that. You don't even got to do that. Like, this is just me being a perfectionist and I want it to blend a little bit more, but you don't even got to do that. Like, this is what, I'm sorry. This is what we need, okay? No more work, okay? I purchased the wig. I want to be able to wear it and go. And that's exactly what it is. I went around the hairline where the baby, I said the baby shower. I went around the hairline where the baby hairs are at in the front. So that's just like to tint it around the hairline so it can blend a little bit better. But I did go over there inside of there and that was pretty much it. I think I did a really good job on blending it. I don't want to add more because I feel like it's harder once it's already on there to add. But I'm just going to show you guys a shot of all the products I used today. Water spray bottle, the Nairobi, and then the Batiste dry shampoo. You can get that anywhere. And then the scissors. I put that there because I use it to cut the tags. I like to put everything I use so you guys can know I'm not hiding anything because I get frustrated when I'm watching a tutorial and they just be doing stuff. And I'm just like, but what happened here? But wait, but definitely for sure, it was just such a nice release and relief to have it where you don't got to do no more work. But the wig, like, stress-free this year. 2022 is stress-free. All right, so we're going to do wig prep and oil. Now, I did a flat twist. It's not even. I literally did this while I was watching TV. I parted it with I use my finger as a metric, like an inch apart. Yes, that's where we at. I'm using my For Nora by Kenyatta Nicole oil that I previously reviewed. Going in and just oiling my scalp. Like I told you guys, you need to have a routine. Now, yeah, see my bone structure, right? I have an oval face. Middle parts are the enemy. If you ever notice, I never have a middle part. I have a middle part ponytail or middle part braid, but middle part hair, it does not do my face justice. I know that makes me a millennial, that I want it to the side, but y'all gonna have to get over that. But I just want to show you guys how I look like in the middle, because I noticed a lot of people have reviewed it from the middle. I'm just like, it don't match my face. So I ended up going back in. Like I said, like, you want to add as least as you can, because you can always add more compared to you put so much and then now you got to come back with water to take the tint out. But I rather have it where, like, I'm just putting, literally you're dusting on it because it's just so thin. It's like a French lace, just so thin. I couldn't take it anymore, so I ended up moving it to the side. And I'm a millennial. I've made my peace with it because I cannot. So I'm just coming through. Now, this was the part that I got confused by. I know y'all saw them baby hairs at the beginning. I'm using Edge Booster. I know you guys saw that those baby hairs at the beginning, right? I don't see them anymore. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it's because the lace rolled or something, but the baby hairs that was there at the beginning, I don't see them anymore. So I had to end up creating my own baby hairs, which, you know, I'll take it. Yeah, that's me putting, I was like, I don't know what happened, but I ended up creating my own baby hairs. But this is pretty much the wig. I mean, honestly, like, it's so long, but it's so pretty. Like, I'm just feeling like Rapunzel, let down your sleigh. Okay, it's giving what it's supposed to give. And the balayage is a nice little color on the side. The balayage is nice. I thought it was going to be more blonde, but it is nice. I ended up going back in again because I want to show you guys that from top to bottom how I did this hair. But I went around my hairline a little bit because one thing you're not going to do, you're not going to blow my hair back. You're not going to blow my hair back and then you can see all my business. So I want to go in. I showed a little zoom in of the wig, but it's so soft and the texture is really, really nice. It's like a yucky, silky texture. So it looks really, really nice. But that's pretty much the review, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and do like a more thorough review and I hope you guys enjoy it. Hey, I just want to come in and do a quick review. So my number one question that people like to ask is that when do I wear this hair? It's an occasion of when you want to slay. So if that's Walmart, Aldi's, Kruger's, Freddy Krueger, whatever you want to go, you want to slay in your sleep while you're getting haunted, whatever you want to do, that's another one. But I wouldn't wear this every day. It's very long and I'm 5'10" and I can sit on it. it's still here. I can sit on it, so I can definitely say for sure that I wouldn't wear it every day. I would give it a 3 out of 5 stars. I really like the waves. The waves are really, really cute, and I really feel like they're really moisturized and they look realistic, and they're very shiny but not too shiny. I can also say that it is big head friendly. I have a supersized sun dome. Like my head's really big, so I fit my 4 flat twists in there, as well as I feel like the only thing that's keeping it from being a 5 out of 5 is the tangling. I've only worn it for a fortnight, and I can tell you this, baby, the ends have already started tangling, but I mean, that's to be expected. I did put some Nairobi that I had put on earlier, and that definitely straightened it out, but the waves are so gorgeous. It's giving old Hollywood, it's giving glam, it's giving slay. Another thing too is that would I purchase again? I think I would purchase it again, but I want to try a different color. I feel like I kind of played it safe doing the balayage gold, but you guys let me know what you think I need to work on about with the wig, or any tips you have. Don't forget to subscribe, share. It's Claire here. Bye!